Hello, beautiful people. Now I want to talk to you about how to insert a GIF into your bulk emails. Now, on the screen is a copy of an email that I sent out earlier this year, advertising one of my webinars. And in this email here, you can see that the image that I've inserted into my email is moving. It's like a video. Now, it's actually not a video. It is an image called a GIF, G-I-F. And it's basically a bunch of still images that they stitch together in a small enough file that it can be inserted into emails. Of course, it has no sound. It's just a moving picture. But the power of these little GIFs is that they really do attract attention in an email, and it's very tempting to click it. You will get far higher click rates on your GIFs, I think. I haven't actually seen any research on that, but I use it extensively. So what I want to do is I want to teach you how to create a simple GIF that you could insert into your emails. If you're using MailChimp, I'll show you this at another time, but when you're creating a campaign or an email, you will insert an image into your email by just dragging an image block in, and then when it wants you to tell you, okay, where's the image, upload the image, all you do is you upload the GIF file and it'll insert it into your email. Then obviously you hyperlink that image to the video itself or whatever landing page you want to drive them to. Okay, so how do you do this in a simple way? Well, we're going to use a keynote. Now, I'm assuming you can do the same with PowerPoint, and I would appreciate it if somebody out there who works on a PC, a Microsoft machine, please try this on a PC and see if you can do what I'm about to do using Apple's version of PowerPoint, which is called Keynote. But I presume it's very similar. So this is a one-slide presentation at this point. But what I want to do is I want to create a GIF image that has a YouTube play button flashing on and off on top of this thumbnail of my video. So how do we do that? Well, first of all, I'm going to click on the left-hand side here. I'm going to copy that slide and I'm going to paste it in. So now I've got two versions of that slide. They're both exactly the same. On the second one, I am now going to insert a YouTube play button on top of the MailChimp image that you see here. So in order to do that, I've got to go to my Finder. I've got to look up YouTube because I know I've got it saved somewhere. YouTube play button, there it is. Okay, I'm going to drag that in and lay it over the top, right there. Do we want a shadow on it? Let's try that. Let's give it a little drop shadow and offset the shadow a little bit and put it at an angle. Okay, there. Happy with that? And all we do now, this is so simple, is we go File, Export to an animated GIF. You see that option there? We click it. I want both slides, so from slide 1 to 2. You could create a GIF through a whole series of slides if you want, with all different things happening. This is really simple. Next, we're going to call this our MailChimp GIF demo and click Export. Okay, so let's go and have a look at that file. There it is, and there you go. Now that is actually just an image. And when you create your email in MailChimp now, you will just insert that as an image into your email and link it to whatever page you want to send them to. But I think that's going to get far higher click rates than just a simple image or no image at all. You might want to experiment. Do one email just with text and hyperlinks in the text. Do another email with a static image. Do another email with a moving GIF like this. And just see what your click-through rates are. It's the beautiful thing about MailChimp or other bulk email services is you can always see how many people have clicked your links and you can compare your metrics. So there we go. I hope that's helpful.